Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Danielle and today I have the classic what is in my bag tag. So if you guys are nosy like me and you like to know what's inside people's bags, stick around. But there's a little bit of a kicker. There's a little bit of a twist. It's gonna be my beach bag or my pool bag or a summer bag or whatever you may call it. It's the summer edition. So I am getting ready to kick off the summer season here, and I take my girls to my mom's house a lot because she does have a pool. Occasionally we do like the community pool, and I'll take them there because they have like slides and like splash pads and stuff. Or very seldomly we do try to hit up the the beach. We are off Lake Michigan, and it gets so bitterly cold here that the water is freezing. Like, it's been 90 for a few days and the water's barely 50. So we don't really frequent the beach that often. We've been known to, but that water's cold, girl. So it's just like too cold. Like it can't be hot enough for me to want to jump into 50-degree water. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I go ahead and pack for me and my girls when we go ahead and we hit the pool. But if you guys are new here, before I show you all my goodies, do not forget to subscribe and like and all that stuff. I would love to have you guys a part of my YouTube family. We do a little bit of everything. We have a lot of fun and we just support each other, and it's a happy place. And I would love to continue spreading the happiness and joy. So, all right, enough of that. Let me show you what's in my bag. So I am getting ready to, all right, so this is my beach bag, summer bag. This is a new one for me this year. I've been loving this like straw bag trend. I think it's really cute, but I don't like the price tag, a lot of like the more expensive ones. So I found this one in the dollar bin, or like Target dollar spot at Target. It was $7, and I like it because it has this really thick, it's like really like weaved handle, so you can really pack it deep, and I like the little decoration balls there. But yeah, so it's lined on the inside, really sturdy, and it can pack a punch. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. First things first, before I jump into this bag, I wanna let you know that this bag is usually intended for me, for Leo, for the two youngest girls. Rhea always tends to get like one of those little like Nike sling bags, and she packs her own stuff, does her own thing. She's a teenager, so I just let her be. So like I said, this is usually, you know, intended for me, Leo, and the little ones. So the first thing inside my bag is obviously going to be a swimsuit. I just pick whichever one I like at the moment, and whichever one's clean, and I grab it and I shove it in my bag. This is the high-waisted bikini, the black one that I picked up from Adore Me. Super cute and yeah, durable. The next thing I have inside my little thing is just a cover up for me to throw on while I'm at the pool. You guys have seen this. This is from my bikini haul. This is the $5 cover up that I got from Five Below. Love it. It goes great with anything and super fun. And you know, sometimes you gotta like go to the bathroom or walk around and you know, whatever, and you just want to cover up. So I got that. You have a pair of sunnies in here. These are the ones that I currently am loving. They're mirrored. They are like a knockoff of the Q-U-A-Y, the Desi Perkins ones. I love those, but I don't love the price tag. So I found these at the Target dollar spot for $3, and they're really cute too. I mean, look, aren't they so cute? I love them. So yeah, I have them in here. All right, so I always have tons of these like storage bags, and it's probably not the like most chic thing to do, but I'm a mom, guys. So inside here, I always carry like the girls' bathing suits, and then like a change of like underwear for them. So when they get out of their bathing suit, they have extra, whatever. You never know what's gonna happen, but I always have extra because your girl is cautious. So I keep that in there for them. Let me show you the big mamma jamma. So here is like my, what do you call this? Like toiletry bag. I like it because it has like this little like thing right here. So if I wanted to just like walk around and leave your stuff in here, you could. When I was in Florida, I had one of these, and I just put our wetsuits in there. You can use it for that. whatever the case may be, but I just stuffed it with the toiletries that I need. I am a packer, guys. I like to be prepared. I don't ever like to be caught, so to speak, with my pants down. So I like to have everything together for me and the girls just in case something happens. So I'm just gonna start pulling out. So the first thing I have in here is just some ibuprofen because I have a teenager, ladies, we know. And I'm also a mom and I have 3 kids at the pool, sometimes more than that. And my head starts to really pound about 2 hours in. I need it. So I got me some ibuprofen. I have some children's ibuprofen. I always just keep it in this just in case it gets out. Just in case, you know, the kids get sick from the sun or get a headache or whatever. I like to be prepared. Sometimes they get like water in their ear too and that bothers them. I have the Mario Badescu facial spray. I like to just go ahead and give this a little spritz. I like to use this one. It's really, I think it's only like $5 or $7 at Ulta. It's really refreshing and it has like all these little vitamins in there, and just when the sun's like kind of beating on my face, I like to freshen up. I have just some facial wipes. These are from the Dollar Tree. I love these things. There's not that many left. I got to pick up some more. I think there's only like 2 or 3 left in here. But just to, you know, wipe off the sweat or the dirt or whatever, just to have in the bag, so I keep those with me. I have a hairbrush with some extra hair ties. All my girls have really long hair, and you know, if you've been swimming, sometimes it gets really tangled and you always need hair ties, so I got some of those. Napkins, because if we go to the beach or to a public pool, sometimes they ain't got no toilet paper. Ladies, you know what I mean. You never could be not prepared, so here you go. Deodorant, because you out there sweating and nobody likes stinky friends. Quite a few of these little tampons in here because we all girls, we all friends, we know what these are for, so gotta be prepared. I have a little, what is this? A little charger for our cell phones with those little charging banks. Me and Rhea both have iPhones, so we just share it. So I like to keep that in there just so Leo tends to panic if we don't answer. I have a bunch of like alcohol wipes and Band-Aids just in case anybody falls, they get a cut. We prepared. Gotta disinfect, then cover. I have a few dollar bills floating around in here. Sometimes when I take the girls to like the community pool, they do have like little concession stands. So I never really ever have cash on me, so I always try to make sure I have a couple singles in there, so if the girls want to buy themselves some treats, they can. Alright, I also have just some baby banana boat here. This is SPF 50. I put this on my girls so they don't get sunburn. And it's, I think this one is like the water one too, so I get that for them. The next one, okay, this guys is my favorite. This is the Maui Babe Browning Lotion. Let me show you because this is about to, I'm about to put you on to some, let me see, this bottle's a little bent. Maui Babe Browning Lotion. It's like a Hawaiian thing. They do sell it at Ulta. And I've actually found this when I was in Florida, and all the ladies in Florida were using it, and I was like the Floridians, like the native Florida girls, and I was like, yeah, what's that? So they told me this is like the best thing. You put this on underneath your tanning lotion, and I mean, they'll tell you to like beginners, maximum suntime 1 hour, you can go up to a couple hours. It's water resistant, but it has coffee grounds in it, and it helps, it's a tan accelerator, so it helps you get a little bit darker. I have the world's palest legs, so I always like to put this on there because I need it. So I love this. If you guys, I think this was like 13 bucks, and I did buy it at Ulta here in Chicago, so it's probably sold at the Ulta near you, but I love this stuff. If you guys, have you guys tried this? Do you like it? Let me know. Or are you gonna like go get it because it's bomb? Next thing I got is this is for me also. This is the Australian Gold Spray Bronzer, and it's an SPF 30. I'll usually use this for like my arms and like my legs, but for like my shoulders and stuff like that, I usually, sometimes I use the kids, depending on where I'm at. If I'm like at the public pool, I use the kids sunscreen. If I'm like in my mom's backyard, I use this one. just depending. But yeah, I do like this one because it has the bronzer in it. And I prefer the spray gels as well. This is my favorite. This is the Sheer Dry Touch sunscreen. It's SPF 30. Clog my pores. It's really light. It's really my favorite. I've bought this for years. It's comparable to the Neutrogena one. And guys, this one's really great. You have to make sure you protect your skin. Not only just because of aging, but you do not want any type of skin cancer, guys. And you have to protect it. So if you guys are interested, this can go on great underneath your makeup. And it works wonderfully. So there we go. Alright, so that's all that was in my toiletry bag. So let me go ahead and show you what else I got. I got a couple pairs of these water wings. I get these from the Dollar Tree. Sophia's learning how to do without the water wings, but Becky's still little. So they don't like to do vests. So what I usually do is put on 2 pairs on, like 2 on each arm. I don't know, they hate the vest because they get tipped over. I might try this year, the one that just has the like the donut ring around it. I don't know, I might try that one. If you guys have four-year-old children, what do you put them in for the pool? Do they use that one with the ring around it, or are you guys just the water wing people? Let me know. A couple more of these Ziploc bags just for wetsuits, whatever. I have them. And then I have my wallet. Obviously it has all the good stuff in there. I do have extra hair ties and extra cash in here sometimes. You just never know. You gotta have your wallet handy. So besides the things I've shown you, what I always take with me obviously is towels. I always bring towels with me, but I get the big beach towels, so they're not gonna fit in here. We usually just roll them up and just carry one in for each of us. I also bring my sun hat because like I said earlier, I really try to keep the sun off of my face. I do not have any chapstick. I need to actually pick some up. I usually don't wear any chapstick throughout like the fall or winter or spring. I usually always use just coconut oil, but I learned my lesson last year and I put coconut oil on as like a lip balm before I went tanning or went outside in the yard and did some yard work, and it burnt up my lips and I got like blisters on them. So we'll never do that again. Do not put straight oil on your skin. You will fry like bacon in a frying pan, girl. Don't do it. And I also usually have like a hand sanitizer for the girls. I don't have any at this point, so I need to pick some of that up. These are my must-haves, absolutely necessary. I mean, I feel like it makes it a lot easier to kind of travel around, take the girls swimming, stuff like that, and I feel like I kind of got all my ducks in a row. I don't pack any types of snacks or anything like that because it's usually, when we go out swimming, it's usually pretty hot and I don't want them to melt, so we'll tend to like either pick up stuff along the way or I'll pack it fresh that day. We always do, I prefer to do a lot of like Powerade, so we do like Powerade Zero or the Gatorade, the G2, the sugar-free one, and I always like to pack them lots of fresh fruits. Since we do go to my mom's house, she's pretty good about kind of having stuff on hand for me and the kids. When we do the public pool, I always just kind of, you know, pack some extra snacks. You're really not supposed to bring food in there. So, and then when we go to like the beach and stuff like that, Leo usually does those trips with us. When we go to like my mom or the public pool, Leo's usually working because he works during the week. We usually try not to go to the public pool during the weekend because it's insane. So, you know, when Leo comes with us, he usually brings the big cooler and we pack all types of stuff. So, yeah. Let me know below. This is a question for you guys. Are you guys a beach goer? Do you got your own pool? Or do you guys do like the public community pool? Let me know below. My favorite is the beach. I absolutely love the beach, but I don't love the beach in Illinois. Like I loved like going to the beach in Florida. That was amazing. The water was warm. It was so pretty. The sands were, it was just a beautiful experience. I'm not a big fan of public pools. I don't like the kids splashing. I don't like the kids when they jump in the pool and their parents aren't watching them and I'm getting nervous because I think they're gonna drown. I more or less take my kids just for the experience. So I like hanging out at my mom's house because I kind of can lay out and keep an eye on the kids and just relax and, you know, do whatever it is I want to do. And then I love taking them swimming because it really tires them out and they get some good sleep and more me time. Yes, girl. But alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you guys are so excited for your summer, because I know I am. I know my kids are. We got a couple more weeks of school and we are in the clear for a couple weeks. And I just can't wait. I can't wait to have my girls home with me and take them swimming, into the zoo and all that stuff. So at least for the first 2 weeks, I'm excited. But alright guys, do not forget to subscribe. I hope you like this video and you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.